Hello, thank you for joining us on another educational solution for your Imex panel. Today we're going to talk about how to download apps from our NovoTouch app store. So you'll see I have my applications open and we see here the NT app store. Again, NT stands for NovoTouch. I'm going to open this. It's going to launch a page where we have lots of different educational applications available. Now, just for a bit of background, this store came into existence because we wanted to get teachers' feedback. We wanted to see what people all over the UK were using, and that information has been filtered in, so now you have loads and loads of educational apps at your disposal. Again, everything from the Microsoft Suite to 3D apps of the solar system. Again, there's so much you can utilize and use in this. And again, the beauty of this app store is you don't actually have to have an account. You don't have to be signed in. You just have to use one of these panels. So for example, this is our solar system app. As you see, I'm going to click on it and it's going to begin installing. Like anything, the speed of the install is going to depend on the level of Wi-Fi you have at the moment. But again, really handy, really useful to have. We really recommend you taking a look through this if you even just want to get your creativity going to see what some other teachers are using for their subjects. At Imex, we are dedicated to helping teachers just enhance their teaching ability. We want these panels to actually be an aid, not a burden to you technologically. So again, look at the app, see what you can use, and just see how you can use it to better create engagement with your students like never before.